We can see from the results that DolphinDB is on average over 10 times faster than Python, with a maximum of 14 times. Daily metrics, defined by daily net asset value of the fund, are commonly used to analyze the fund performance, such as returns, volatility, and risks, etc. In this video, we will test the performance of DolphinDB and Python in calculating daily metrics, in relation to the number of jobs and CPU cores. We choose the daily NAV of 3,000 funds, with more than 3.3 million entries for the test. The CSI 300 index, with a total of 734 records, is also used in the test to align with the daily NAV. And we also selected 10 daily metrics covering various aspects of the fund evaluation system as performance test indicators. After importing data, we perform an as-of join on two tables and forward fill the null values in column value. Only the data with the same trading date is kept in the join table. Then, we calculate the daily return and Hurst exponent of all funds. The result with 2.2 million records has the following schema. In the test, we use the scripts of both tools to calculate 10 metrics respectively. We can see from the results that DolphinDB is on average over 10 times faster than Python, with a maximum of 14 times. The reasons why DolphinDB outperforms Python lie in: DolphinDB optimizes its vectorized operations for streaming engines, which shows an outstanding performance. DolphinDB provides over 2,000 built-in functions. The OLAP/TSDB storage engine in DolphinDB can store data in DFS databases with different partitioning schemes. Contact us at sales@dolphindb.com for more cases on accelerating metrics calculation. Subscribe to our channel for more information. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.